And so I will start by doing a very, very basic piping arrangement without any image files. We do have the ability to import the plans that the architect has drawn for us, or the draftsman, and we can work on those plans. But I will start without any plans. We'll just show you the basic function of drawing piping and putting it together. There's a few simple rules that you'll need to keep in mind when using this program. One is the left mouse button is typically in this program is the same as putting pen to paper. In other words, that's the same as you taking your drafting pencil or pen and placing it on the paper, and then moving the mouse is the equivalent to you drawing a line. The program will automatically snap to degrees of 22.5 degrees so that it's consistent with plumbing fittings. So anyway, I'll go ahead and very simply draw a building drain. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll go ahead and put some walls. We'll put some walls up that represent a square house, and currently we are in what we call the plan view. This is the view as if you were looking down on the house, and I'm going to press the left mouse button, and I'm just going to first select wall from the draw menu, and I'm just going to draw a line down the screen while holding down the mouse button, which is the same as putting pen to paper. When I get to the end of the line, I'm just going to release the left mouse button.
Mr. Poole?
Yes.
I was going to ask you, if on our side, our screen is about 2/3 the size. We've got a Google search bar on the side that's got like a clock. Is there any way?
Oh, yeah. You're seeing my whole screen. Let me see if I can get rid of that.
Thank you.
And maybe this will. Okay, there you go.
And another thing, if it would help, if it would help you, Mr. Poole, we have. I went ahead and passed out a small bathroom set with a water closet, a lavatory, and a bathtub. I've actually got it on my computer. If you wanted to go ahead and pull that up, but you do what you need to do. I just wanted to kind of throw that out there.
Yeah, I'd be glad to work with your drawing, and we'll switch over to you. I'll just go ahead and continue this little example here, and then we'll switch over to your screen.
You go right ahead.
Okay. I'm just going to do a square house, and again, pressing the left mouse button while moving it is the same as putting pen to paper, and we're just going to draw a plain old boring square house. And then now to edit any of these lines, all I have to do is click on the line, and it will turn red or magenta, and then I can grab either circle. I'm just going to grab this circle at the end of the line. I'm going to move it to the corner so that we have a perfect square.
Mr. Poole?
Yes.
On theirs, what would you say? They're still on their option. I'd like them to kind of test drive this out as you're doing that.
Yes.
They've got on their screen, it's the open project.
Oh, I'm sorry. What they should do is press the middle button, the middle one that says Start New Project.
Okay.
And
could you go back over the directions or instructions on how they would construct a wall?
Sure. I'm going to just start over.
Okay.